Hi, this is Tim and Shana from Punk Rope, and we are here to show you jump rope med ball workout number 1. We are anticipating doing more of these jump rope med ball workouts and also just more jump rope HIIT workouts. So it's a little wet today, so forgive the moisture on the lens. Hopefully it's not too bad. You can still see. Shana's got her Green Day Punk Rope jump rope, and she has an 8-pound soft medicine ball by Dynamax. That's our product placement. Maybe they'll give us one. So you feel free to use whatever weight works for you. We prefer the soft balls for safety, because a very hard rubber med ball, there is a higher risk of injuring your fingers if you don't catch well. And so we're going to do 4 jumps, and Shana's also going to do 4 med ball exercises. Each move is going to be 30 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of rest. We're going to show you the 4 jumps first, but during the actual workout we'll intersperse them. And of course, as with every workout, you would do a thorough warm-up first, and you would conclude your workout with a thorough cool-down. So the jumps are scissors, sliding the feet forward and back. The second jump is a skier. Oh well, we'll do a straddle. That's fine. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, I had the order wrong. It doesn't really matter what the order is. The straddle was first, the scissors is second, the skier is third. That's the side-to-side jump. And the 4th jump is a jog step, alternating foot step. So Shana's in a pretty narrow space there, so she can't really go too far side to side without hitting the railing, but I think she'll be okay. Now, with the med ball, there are 4 moves. The first one is going to be a toss to herself. So this is a squat into an upward throw, and the higher you throw, the greater the intensity, but it's wet, and I think Shana's going to keep it to a reasonable height. The second move is a squat with rotation. So there's no release of the ball here, and she's alternating lifts to each side with a pivot and coming up onto the ball of one foot. The third move is going to be interesting. It is a rotational throw, and she's going to do one side for 30 seconds, then jump, and then do the other side. So we're just going to show you this briefly. I'm going to get out from behind the camera so that the camera doesn't get crushed by the ball. All right, here we go. Whoa! See, that's what happens when the ball is slippery.
Bloopers.
Okay, so that is the rotational throw, and then we would be doing, and we're gonna wipe this sucker down.
Useful when it's wet out.
Yeah. And then she would do the other side, which would be the 4th med ball exercise. Okay. Thanks for bearing with us, guys. Now, on your own, if you wanted to make this more intense, you got some options. You could increase the work time per set. You could increase the weight of the med ball. You could increase the weight of the rope. You could reduce the rest time, and you can add multiple rounds. So 1 round is 4 minutes of work, I believe. 8 times 30, 4 minutes. So 2 rounds would be 8 minutes of work, 3 rounds, 12, and so on and so forth. Probably wouldn't want to do more than, say, 4 to 5 rounds. But we're going to just do 1 round. So we're starting with...
1 round is 2 minutes.
No, 4 jump rope moves is 2 minutes, and 4 med ball moves is 2 minutes, so that's 4 minutes. Okay, so guys, we're gonna start with the straddle, and I will keep the time and let you know, and let Shana know how much time is remaining. And get that ball out of the way. Okay, so straddles in 3, 2, 1, and go. So now it is very wet here. Hopefully you have better weather at home. Obviously if you miss a jump, which could happen, don't worry about it. You just keep on going. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. That was awesome, flawless. Okay, so hopefully the ball's dry enough. Shana's gonna toss to herself. So going into a squat in 3, 2, 1, and go. And we'll do more jump rope med ball workouts in the future, at least one other one. I'm gonna try to get, there we go. Get the height of the toss there. 15 seconds is halfway. Now remember, this is an 8-pound ball. Lots of options. You could go heavier, you could go lighter. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice. So the ball's gonna go down. The rope is gonna go up. Scissors is next. Okay, and that is in 3, 2, 1, and go. So now the feet are sliding forward and back. So with both jumps, pretty rapid change of direction. "15 seconds is halfway. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, and time. Rest. Perfect. Flawless. All right. Now this is going to be interesting, guys. We're going to try to do this with the rotational throw. And if Shana is throwing... Oh, this is a squat with rotation. I apologize. And that's in 3, 2, 1, and go. Squat with rotation. So alternating sides. And there's a lift. So this is nice. You've got core involvement, you've got shoulder involvement, grip. Lower body is getting involved quite a bit. We have 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice. All right. So that's 2 down. The skier is next. This is a side-to-side jump with feet close together in 3, 2, 1, and go. Side, side. So great jump for agility. A lot of core involvement. 15 seconds is halfway. 10 seconds. We have 3, 2, 1, and time. Awesome. 3 jumps down. Now we have the rotational throw. So I'm going to get, if Shana's throwing, you want me here or here? Okay, we're going in 3, 2, 1, and go. Need strong fingers on this one. Nice.
Oh! Time to start take out the camera.
Take out the camera. Take out the video. 5 seconds. Oh! And rest. That was beautiful. Okay. Hopefully that looked okay for you guys at home. We're going to dry this off. We're going to do the other side. Okay, and that's in 3, Okay, we're gonna do the jog step. Sorry, we'll do the other side next. 2, 1, and go. So now we're alternating feet. This is the 4th and final jump. You see that really beautiful arc centered over Shana's head. 15 seconds is halfway. We're having fun. I hope you are as well. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, time. That's the final jump. 4 down, and this is the final med ball exercise, which will be a rotational throw to the other side in 3, 2, 1, and go. Nice. Ah. Awesome.
Oh, taking out the camera.
And done. Woo! And a slam. And a high five. And if you were doing this at home, congratulations on your jump rope med ball workout number 1. Now, by the way, guys, you may not have a partner to do the rotational throw with, but you know what works really well is a wall. So if you get over to a handball court and you just slam, or a brick wall, you slam that ball against the wall, it'll come pretty much right back to you and you can catch it. Might have to get a little closer than Shana and I were. You would, of course, cool down now. So that was a 4-minute workout. You could do multiple rounds, or if you're calling it a day, you would stretch. And again, just to recap, you had the straddle, you had the scissors, you had the skier, you had alternating feet. Those were your 4 jumps. And then with the med ball, you had a upward toss to yourself from a squat. You had a rotational lift, squat plus rotation, and then you had throws, rotational throws, both sides, right? So, yeah, facing one way, then facing the other way. And if you enjoyed that workout, awesome. Thanks for joining us. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, and you can check us out further at punkrope.com. And if you have any questions or comments, jot them down below and we'll answer them as soon as we can. All right, guys, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you soon.